Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
You begin by opening Settings and confirming your Apple ID with two-factor authentication. This protects purchases. Next, add a debit or credit card to Wallet and complete the bank verification prompt so tokens are issued. Once your card shows as verified, make sure Face ID, Touch ID, or a secure passcode is active for payments. This authorizes transactions quickly. These steps let websites and apps detect Apple Pay and present it as a payment option when you proceed to checkout. When you reach checkout, choose the Apple Pay button. The sheet appears and shows shipping, billing, and the selected card. You can change the shipping address or card here, tap the card area to pick a different one, then verify the shipping method. Once details look right, authorize the payment with Face ID, Touch ID, or your passcode. This sends a tokenized transaction to the merchant so your real card number stays private. After authorization, wait for the confirmation screen before closing the page. Complete the process by confirming the merchant's success screen and checking your receipt email or wallet transaction history for the charge. If the payment fails, first reopen Wallet to verify the card shows as active and the billing address matches the merchant. Make sure your device region and network connection are correct. Once done, retry authorization. If problems persist, contact your bank or Apple support and provide the transaction ID from Wallet so they can trace the.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.